spiced carrot and lentil soup. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a delicious and comforting spiced carrot and lentil soup. This healthy soup is packed with flavor, loaded with nutrients, and perfect for a cozy lunch or dinner. Best of all, it's easy to make with simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's get started. Ingredients. For this recipe you'll need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 5 large carrots peeled and chopped, 1 cup red lentils rinsed, 4 cups vegetable stock, salt and black pepper to taste, fresh parsley or cilantro for garnish. Step 1. Cook the aromatics. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until soft and translucent. Next, add the minced garlic and stir for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Now add the cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Stir everything together and cook for another minute to release those wonderful aromas. Step 2. Add carrots and lentils. Add the chopped carrots and rinsed red lentils to the pot. Give everything a good stir so the vegetables are coated with the spices. Step 3. Simmer. Pour in the vegetable stock. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the carrots are tender and the lentils are fully cooked. Step 4. Blend the soup. When everything is soft and cooked through, remove the pot from the heat. Using an immersion blender, blend the soup until smooth and creamy. If you're using a regular blender, allow the soup to cool slightly before blending in batches. Adjust the seasoning with salt and black pepper to taste. Step 5. Serve. Ladle the soup into bowls. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley or cilantro for a burst of color and freshness. Serve warm with crusty bread or your favorite side salad. Wow! This soup is silky smooth, full of warming spices, and naturally hearty thanks to the lentils. It's healthy, satisfying, and perfect for any time of year. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more healthy and delicious recipes every week. Let me know in the comments if you try this spiced carrot and lentil soup and how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!